Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. Today I'm sharing a recipe of bakery style white sauce chicken sandwich cake. I am sure you never make cake before like this. Let's start the recipe. I take 5 tablespoon butter. When it's melt, add 4 tablespoon all purpose flour in it and mix it well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, gradually add 3 cups of milk in it and mix it well. Stir it continuously so the lumps don't remain in it. When it starts to becoming thick, add salt to taste, oregano, 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon black pepper in it and mix it well. You can see that our white sauce is ready here. I take homemade bread for this sandwich cake which I make yesterday. Now take a bowl, add 5 tablespoon white sauce in it. I take half chicken breast and boil it and shred it into pieces. Now add boiled chicken in it and mix it well. Now set aside the chicken and take a bread. You can take any kind of bread slices and cut their sides and set the 4 bread slices like this way. Spread the white sauce chicken in it. Which people likes mayonnaise, they can take mayonnaise in the replacement of white sauce. But you cannot keep refrigerate a long time the mayonnaise sandwich cake. So I like the white sauce sandwich cake and you can keep it in the refrigerator for 1 week. You can use any kind of salad which you like, but please don't add tomatoes and onion in it. Spread grated carrot in it. Spread fine cutted iceberg leaves. Spread fine cutted olives in it. I give you an idea. You can decorate sandwich cake according to your style. Spread fine cutted cabbage on it. When you spread all the things, then press the things with your hand. Put fine cutted slices of cucumber on it. Now set lotus on it. Its cake advantage is that you can store it for 1 week and refresh it in the oven before serving. Now set aside it and take the other slice of bread. Now spread ketchup on it. You can take chili garlic sauce in the replacement of ketchup. Set this bread slice to the assembled bread slice. Now spread white sauce in it and spread chicken mixture on it. Now spread carrot, cucumber, boiled eggs, olives, iceberg. Decorate it according to your style. I decorate it in my own style. You can see a flower on it. I can make this flower from the tomato peels. Let's cut it and taste it. Enjoy it. Please must try it and tell me in comments about it. Humble request, please subscribe my channel. If you like my recipes, please like it and share. You can make this cake on different occasions and give a gift to others. It's yummy.